Hey guys, hello and welcome back, Nandi here. Today we have another video, another unboxing. So for you that are new to my channel, I'm Nandi and I'm mostly a banknote reseller on eBay. I buy plenty of foreign banknotes on eBay and I resell them in different mixed lots. But if I like some banknotes, I will keep the banknotes for my personal collection, and this is how I grow my foreign banknote collections. This is my way, my modest way. I don't buy very expensive banknotes for my collections. This is somehow a little bit cheaper. So let's see what beauties we have today. Don't want to reveal the address of the seller. And let's see. This is a very heavy envelope. I think I bought from this seller twice, and I think this is a double mail. So I don't know. Maybe I will. This video will be with two parts. Let's see. But I really think this is a double mail. I think, I don't know, it feels like it's a combined postage. I don't know, I can't remember now, because it has been about 2 months when I bought these banknotes, and you know, from the COVID-19 pandemic, the mail was stopped in some countries. So yeah, I don't know, guys. What do you say? I will do all of them in one video. So let's go. We have the first banknote, or the first two banknotes from the Philippines. And Philippines is one of my favorite countries to collect banknotes. I really like their beautiful designs on coins and banknotes, of course. I really like. So that means every banknote from the Philippines goes to my Philippine banknote collection. This is from 2005, 20 pesos, or peso, I'm sorry, 20 peso. So this goes to my collection. I will put here another beauty, 100 peso from 1998, the same series. I don't have 100 peso, so of course, again, this banknote will go to my collection. And this is the Central Bank of the Philippines. Very beautiful. This is a new banknote for me. We have here 100 escudos from Portugal, series 88. I have this banknote. I really love the Portuguese banknote designs. But I have this banknote, and that banknote will go back to eBay. And here we have a banknote that I had previously, but yes, it has a tear here, but I don't mind. This banknote will go to my... So yeah, back to my collection. I have sold this banknote some years ago, and I really wanted to have it again, so dream come true. This is a very old Hungarian forint from the communist period, 1981. This goes back to eBay, and these are some banknotes, favorites for me to collect from Kazakhstan. We have a 20 tenge series 1993. I think this is the second series of Kazakhstan tenge banknotes. The year they, the first or the second, I can't remember now, but I think this is the second one. Before they, when they broke up from the Soviet Union. Goes to my collection, and the 50 tenge from the same series, 1993. Very beautiful. Goes to my Kazakhstan collection. This is a very damaged Argentinian 100 Australes. eBay with some other good banknotes. Another Argentinian one, 500 Australes. A damaged banknote, back to eBay. We have another Polish zloty, 1986. It's a very common banknote in this kind of mixed foreign banknotes. We have a 1000 ruble from Russia, 1995. I think I will keep this banknote. Another one from Poland, 100 zloty or zloty. This is a very damaged polymer Romanian banknote, 2000 lei from 1999. And this is one of my favorite banknotes of all time, because you have the map of Romania, and here you see the shadow of the solar eclipse of August of 99 that passes through Romania. This is a stylized solar system, but this is a true thing. I have observed myself that eclipse with a small telescope in 1999. So yeah, this will go back to eBay. I have that banknote in uncirculated condition. Another one, 1000 from Poland. Goes back. We have Turkish. These are from the 80s. These banknotes. I have plenty of Turkish banknotes. Goes back. We have here a 1 million lira, again from Turkey. Hyperinflative currency. This is 1 lira from Cyprus. I do collect Cypriot currency. I really love them, from 1988, but this banknote will go back to eBay. And this is a new banknote for my collection, 1000 kwacha from Malawi, an African country. I don't have this denomination. So yeah, I really liked it. And we have here 100 francs. I'm seeing now that I don't have plenty of memory on my telephone, so 100 francs. I will go a little faster. 100 francs from France, pre-euro banknote. I think this will go back to eBay. This is 1 mark from Finland, from the 50s or 60s. We have a really damaged 5,000 lira from Italy, a sticky one. I have this banknote in uncirculated condition. This will go back. Another very common banknote, Italian one, 1,000 lira per euro. This is from Morocco, 10 dirhams. I do collect Arab countries banknotes. I really love them. This will go to my collection. This is from Kuwait. We have a 5 dinars. Stunning, beautiful design. Goes to my collection. Another Italian one, 10,000 lira, pre-euro. Goes to eBay. I have that banknote. This is a Chinese foreign certificate. Goes back to eBay. We have another 10 peso from the Philippines. Goes to my collection. Really badly damaged 1,000 lira from Italy. And this beautiful 1 lira from Malta. I don't have this banknote from 1967. Of course, we'll go to my collection. And the last one is these 5 dinars from Tunisia. Also will go to my collection. So yeah guys, this is the way I collect, and this is the way I do business on eBay. So all these banknotes, I will mix them with some other banknotes in a good, in a much better condition. So I will mix them because I don't sell only damaged banknotes, but as you've seen, I buy myself damaged banknotes. So it's a start for everybody. So all these banknotes will go to my personal collection, and all these banknotes will go back to eBay, mixed with other banknotes in a much better condition. So guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please let me know what banknote you liked from this mail day. I will read all of your comments. You can contact me through my social media, Facebook pages, Instagram, and of course my eBay store, links on the video description. And if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing. I will really appreciate it. And thank you for your feedback, guys. I really appreciate it. So yeah, I hope you have a nice day, and I will see you in the next one. So bye bye.